Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning, familia. Good morning. Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez. We are live, familia. Live, ready to look at the market, look for trading options, and see how we can tackle it today. But today, the market is moving, familia. It's moving quite a lot. Just remember, if you want to be part of our familia here in WhatsApp, there's a barcode here, a free community that you can join us. I promise you, I won't be selling you anything. This group is for us to grow together. We have another VIP, obviously. It's a different group, and we're doing a challenge there, doing a bunch of stuff. But in this barcode that you can scan, there's absolutely nothing that you can be charged, so don't worry about it. Just join us. It's a free community. And also, please hit that like button. That will help us to keep finding other traders like you so they can have the same opportunity like you, familia. I truly appreciate that. All right, so let's get going, familia. I don't want to miss so much today. Oh, 1 second. All right, so let's see what can be done today. Let's go. I'm gonna do a TA, even though the indicators that I built are already projecting what's happening here. Okay, let me just quick look at this at the 1 hour time frame. Enjoy the view, familia. I am not going to be talking a lot today. I'm not feeling well. Looks like I'm catching a little bit of a cold, but it's all good. All right, let me do a proper TA on this. Doing higher highs again. Oh boy. I'm gonna switch to this here instead. It is doing higher highs. Oh boy. I'm gonna switch to CFDs. Okay. Look at the 1 hour. Oh my god. Well, familia, you know how it is. You know how I feel when the market is doing higher highs. You gotta keep moving to the upside. Non-stop. It's gonna be one of those days again. Well, what can I do? Go with the flow. But when the market opens, we all are gonna be waiting for a retracement, so we can either see the market collapsing or pushing up, which you have to be really careful with NASDAQ today. Maybe I'm gonna be looking more at gold today. me quickly look at thin bits here. Carrying his system more high as Morgan Stanley. Ay, ay, ay. Gold might be heading to the 5,000. US stock futures hit pause after record setting rally. Oh my goodness. Yeah. It's nothing that we don't know. Well, we can see it on the charts every day, so. All right. Let's see what is going to happen. I want to grind down to the 5 minutes to look for an entry. It's truly just going up, building a ton of liquidity right now, but no liquidity grab at all. Already killed previous day London high. And we are misinterpreting this point here. It's not like there's anything here really. If it does drop, it will be because it needs to drop and not because it's sweeping liquidity here. That's where the most traders fail, is understanding this concept of liquidity. They don't read what has happened already before to understand if there's going to be liquidity here or not. Pending orders, resting orders, stop losses, that kind of stuff. But this is a very high peak. I'm just concerned that what is pushing the market might continue to keep pushing the market higher. If I take a look at the heat map, here is mixed, but Nvidia is really red. It's really red. Let me quickly take a look at this here. Oh, nice. Order by change. So most of the companies are, well, 60% of them are buying. The ones that are selling are not the big ones. That's why it's just Nvidia. Nvidia is the only one that is not doing so well. But everything else is pretty much just buying. All right, so going back to this, a little bit of a retracement there. Days like this, most people believe that the market is going to collapse, the market's going to go down, it cannot continue pushing up, and you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. The best thing is to just trade with your limits. Be open to take a stop losses when you have to, and trade it. This is a pre-market move. We got a lot of room to the downside. Good morning, familia. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Habibi. Habibi, how are you, Habibi? There's no key points for the market to retrace on the top, but if you sell, familia, which is a good thing because the market seems that it's going down now. That was a pre-market move, leaving a ton of room to the top. Let's see. Remember, familia, hit that like button, familia. hit the like button for me. I truly appreciate that. If I want to buy NAS, I'm not doing anything. If I'm gonna do anything, I'm gonna sell NAS, because this huge gap here needs to have a correction. But I just don't trust this market when it's doing higher highs like that. There you go. It's clear and liquidity now, pushing the market down, 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 down. How far can it go? No idea. How far can it go? No idea, because there's emotions involved. If I am technically speaking, yes, this is an Elliott wave 1. We know everything about Elliott wave. We can say, yeah, it's gonna go here, it's gonna go there. But when the market is doing higher highs, you just don't know if it's gonna retrace here and do another one. That's what I said, familia. Like, don't follow just your guts in trading. You have to understand that the market is doing certain things, and then when you follow that, it's being very technical, then you jump in it. But otherwise, you just have to observe and wait for your setup. Look at that. Left fair value gap here. This is a pre-market move. This is a pre-market high, pre-market low here. Opening range for New York is at the bottom. Liquidity sitting here. Some of the transactions have started here. So what I said, I prepared the indicator with everything you guys need to understand where liquidity is sitting, previous sessions highs and low points, everything that high-end traders are looking at the market. Del Pueblo, my friend. What do you want to do? What do you want to buy, or what do you want to sell? Let's watch. Already did a liquidity graph from New York. A little bit of manipulation on the very top. Now it's coming down. Tons of people probably selling right now. All right, let's do a TA here quickly in the last 14 minutes. I just wanted to see if it was gonna go up there. Where liquidity is sitting. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute time frame just to reduce a lot of that noise. Ay, Dios mío, that was gonna be a mess today. It's mostly here. I wanna say here. Might come down to this point here. I just don't like the shape of this push. Since there's no big impact news today, you might see the market truly coming back down to these ranges here. It's holding. Let me expand this a little bit so you guys see where volume is kicking it here. Too overbought. Got 17 minutes. For market opening. And don't place any trade, okay? Good morning, Wayona. How are you? I'm a little bit down today since I'm catching a cold, or I don't know. It's raining outside. Super rainy. It's holding. That's the thing that really freaks me out about the market. It's probably gonna try to do a Elliott wave 2 now, but how can you understand if he's gonna do another wave there or not? The best thing will be just to keep selling, but if the market comes back here, I'm gonna sell the market to that medium there. If it's not, it's just gonna keep dropping. For an Elliott wave 3 here, it's giving us the entry. Just don't like how the market looks like today, to be quite honest. Basically what I'm saying is for NAS is it might just come down here again today to top that channel, but I don't think it's gonna continue pushing down from that point. That momentum might be bullish still and just keep pushing it up. But if it's gonna come down, it's gonna come to this point here, at least to that point. Let me just quickly do something silly. If I do this, let's say Elliott wave, look at that, familia. If it does come to the point of entry, Elliott wave 3, it's right on the 130, like right on the ball, right what I'm talking about. But it has to come here for us to sell. I'm predicting price movement before even an Elliott wave, just to see if technically speaking things going to be aligning to where we understand liquidity might be going to be sitting, and it's just perfectly everything aligned. So oh my god, I feel like I was crushed by a train. For those who know how all these goodies that are out there work, I'm open for any recommendations. I need some multivitamins, multi something, I don't know. So yeah, let's just wait for another 9 minutes. It looks like it's holding hard. It's probably catching a bunch of people there, but here is the target that I would love to get in, and stop loss above this point. If it creates another higher high, we're out, but this will be trading against the market, so really low contract, if one or two at the most. Okay, everybody's expecting that. Everybody's expecting the market to calm down, and in most cases it will just do the opposite. Still coming down, still coming down, still coming down, 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 down. Let's see, Amelia, let's see. I'm not an indicator trader, but I just have all this stuff on the screen for everybody to see very better, like where things might be flowing. It helps us to make quick decisions, especially if we're doing a scalping. But if things don't align the way we want today, I'll probably look into another instrument, probably gold. You guys want to do gold? You guys gold traders here, a bunch of them, right? We'll do some gold trades today. Remember to write in the chat any instrument you guys want to trade. Also, we're gonna continue with our challenge, so I'm gonna Look for trades, intraday trades today. Couldn't do it yesterday. I was just too busy putting things away. Catching up with our challenge. It's just sitting there waiting for the next 7 minutes for the market to open. I think that push is just gonna continue going down and then grab liquidity and push back up. It's weird how it's just sitting there. Speculations. Many people just wondering. And then they're gonna come and do the move that nobody's expecting. That's exactly what happened. So when I see the market behaving like that, and especially in the pre-market, it gives me time to understand where liquidity is sitting and the closest place where they might be targeting first, where they're sitting right now. Definitely there's no liquidity on the top. It's being built as we speak, but liquidity is sitting at the bottom of this area, and they might be targeting these points here, both to push the market back up, if they're gonna do that. If not, if buyers are now no longer interested, it's just gonna keep crashing the market down. But by the looks of it, it is a bullish day again. But remember, things can switch in the flip of a finger, so don't feel too confident that this is it. All right, most people there are probably buying because they believe the market is going to push up. That happened last week, huge collapse after doing a higher high, and things just keep dropping and everybody believed that it was going to keep pushing up, and it didn't. It just keep pushing down. Let's wait, familia. Another 5 minutes. I'm gonna keep it on the 5-minute time frame just to eliminate a lot of that noise. I'm watching the screen also in the 20 second time frame. All right. I know when the screens look so overloaded with the stuff, people get scared. They think that, oh my God, this is so complicated. There's so many things on the screen. So I know, but let me turn on the ones that we want to see for scalping. There. That's the beauty of having these indicators. You can turn them off and on. I don't need to understand now where liquidity sitting for the session, so I just turned it off. But you guys do need to know where the precision fair value gaps are, and I just turn them on so you guys understand like the areas where the market is going to come and bounce off. Okay, and you see this one here aligned perfectly with what we said. 130% here, so you might see the market either here or here pushing back up. Really wants to push up. It's going to, let's see what the bot is saying here. Oops. Bot. But it is searching. We got 2 minutes and the bot is not seeking for anything. Weird. The market is literally just sleeping there right now, waiting for the next 2 minutes. And the bot found something there. What is it saying? To buy. Oh, yeah. The body's asking to buy. Let's see. I think it might just come down and then go up. Or go up first and then go down. Gotta wait. Don't do anything, okay? Just don't fall into any traps. We will have another private session on our VIP today too, later on. Come on, Jesus. Remember, familia, small contracts, okay? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I know there's 20 seconds delay, but I'm giving you the game plan to buy or sell, okay? Looks like he wants to move on. Market opens. Let's go. Let's go. Fighting. Same thing. Lots of volume kicking in. But it's coming down, as I mentioned. Coming down. It's gonna continue pushing down. There you go. There you go, familia. Let's see. My goodness. What's going on here? The fight of the ages. It's coming down for that point. Definitely coming down there. So I'm gonna be selling. I wanted to go higher, but it seems that it's coming first down. It's a lot of indecisions there. Not clear. Oh boy. Not clear, but selling for me. Let's focus on selling the market. It's doing a continuation pattern, pushing the market down. Oof, it's still lots of indecisions there. It's a big battle there, but buyers are not kicking in. It needs more liquidity. What is this doing? What is this doing? Wow. Wow. Okay. It is truly fighting the area. I cannot believe my eyes. Fighting the zone, fighting. Fighting the zone. Come on. It's coming to our entry. Come on. Push. Push. Coming to our entry. Or not. It literally came by a hair. As I said, familia, focusing selling the market. I am selling the market on this push, okay? So it did come by a hair here, but it's gonna target 130% there. This is where bigger liquidity is, familia. So let's keep focusing in that area. It's gonna come in slowly there, okay? So don't get desperate. One second. My God, what is happening here? Truly, like, I am shocked. This thing is not moving. Hello, Rene. It's gonna be a slow week with this government shutdown. I am shocked. Oh my goodness. It's gonna go up or down. What is it doing? I think it's gonna go up really high. Hmm. Interesting. It is. I'm gonna go to a much lower time frame. I need to see details. Yeah, it's not clear for me that this is not nice. Now we can see a lot more details here, and I think it's gonna do another higher high. That's it. It's gonna continue pushing higher. There you go. There you go. It's just getting everybody hooked into that. Everybody thinks, no, yeah, the market is gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It's gonna, and then it just does that. Well, how is it gonna be? Is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down? All right. Let me do something here quickly. Let me quickly do something here. Let me switch another account here. The market is super slow. Super slow movements. Not nice. Don't like what NASDAQ's doing. Don't like what NASDAQ's doing. All right. I'm switching here another view because I need to see more details on this screen. 1 second. All right. All right. So you see this behavior of the market, familia? It's not a good one. Let me tell you, it's not a good one. We cannot trade out of desperation, right? We have a game plan. It came to our entry. Obviously, we should be selling the market, but if you're selling the market, make sure that you're doing this with a very low contract, because you are very nearby to do another higher high. It could do that and take you out. Investors are really not taking any decision. You see the size of these candles, how the candles are behaving here? It is not good. It is truly not good. And this market can just come and boom, clear everybody out, do another higher high, and then push down. And again, when the markets are doing higher highs, I don't trust it. It just keep pushing in one direction. So yeah, I want to leave NAS alone for a little bit. Let me take a look at gold. Gold seems to be more like better right now. Clear as actually doing Elliott wave 3 as we speak. Gold is doing an Elliott wave 3, a clean Elliott wave 3, pushing the market down. Wow, we missed this. That boom, boom, boom. Oh, it's almost at 100%. Well, it might retrace somewhere here, probably on gold. I'm gonna say around this area, close to the daily view up. Liquidity is sitting at the very bottom here on gold. So one thing I like about gold is it's like one directional. When it's like a train. When it grabs liquidity, just push in one direction. Slow too. It's slow morning. But NAS is pushing up. It seems that it's gonna do another high. Can't trust it. Can't trust NAS today. Let's see gold. Gold is gonna give it to us. It's already at 130%, and it's gonna keep pushing either up or down. But looks like it's finding rejection in this zone right now. Grab a few pips on gold. Wow, 39.74. That is insane. 39.74 on gold. I don't like what he's doing, NAS. One behavior that I know of the market, one or the other will make a decision to either buy or sell. And when buyers are not kicking in, sellers will, and they come hard. They come really hard. You see the beauty of the adaptive EMA? You see this, how it turns, and then when it's selling, you sell off the adaptive EMA. Just sell coming from here. Just sell from here. For gold, it's respecting it a lot. Targeting the next liquidity pool, which is around here. But once you activate trailing stop, this is trailing stop this entire trade. My goodness, like these government shutdowns, it is bad. Yeah, it's better to wait. Don't get desperate. At least I did 41 bucks and I came in quick. Yeah, that's amazing. Amazing. These congratulations, 41 bucks. You're doing more than most people with any part-time jobs out there. Bitcoin, my God. Whoa. Bitcoin. What the? It's dropping like it's hot. Jesus. God have mercy on us. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bitcoin is dropping hard. Dropping really hard. Here's right now, right? Right now, you said that Ethereum is supposed to go up, right? Let's take a look. Ethereum is following. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, buddy. Crypto world is falling. Yeah, I cannot control that. Most people believe that whatever we said that the market should be going, that's where it's supposed to go, is not the way it is. So you gotta keep following our game plan. If we don't see it, we don't trade. Simple as that. It's okay to stay even cash in a day. I took a few transactions. I saw the market when I was supposed to come down. It kicked me out. I under did $179. So far, so good. No complaints. Even if it's $1, I'm happy with it. One second. It's so bad for me that what is happening here. Look at that. It's so bad. So bad. Let me switch my mindset to a dirty trader. Alright. I want to make money in that area. Let me... Even the adaptive EMA is really not clear. It is... It is dangerous. Why? Because the spikes can happen. Believe it or not, these are transactions that are being built by algorithms. There's really not even retail traders around this area right now. These behaviors is true algorithms of the market. Very low transactions, nothing really happening. Let me quickly take a look at this here. Nvidia now turning Microsoft negative. Gold soar above for the first time. Wow. Yes. Global trade S&P record high. Okay, stock rise as trader waves more progress on the ending of the shutdown. This is 9:30. Okay, all right. They're waiting for that. That's understandable. All right. So if I want to trade this area here, I cannot trade anything until. Okay, I should be buying the market out of this area here. Taking a buy there. Is it going to be either here or here? Usually when I see this behavior of the market, it does like a hammer. It goes like this. Oh, it goes like wham, 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 then wham. Especially because of this here. I'm buying. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And exiting on here. I'm gonna be exiting here. Exiting here. That's the next target here. I'm showing you the targets of the market right now. Targets of the market. I'm going to show it to you guys right here. Right here. If you're buying, targets there. If you're selling, target right here. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Yeah, crypto is very emotion based, Leon. Very much. It's by the hype, really. It's driven by so many factors. Traders around the world, they take advantage of the price of the Bitcoin. Very high. Imagine, like, if somebody wants to buy on the top, it's because they believe that the market on the Bitcoin is going to go even higher. You need to remember, if somebody is buying at a very high price, it's because they believe it's going to go even higher. That's the way the market moves. Most people think that, okay, well, I'm buying crypto, you know, and I'm going to be a millionaire because I'm buying crypto now. You need to remember, but when you are selling your crypto, somebody on the other side has to buy it, right? And in most cases, a lot of people that are buying at very high prices because they believe it's going to go even higher. Okay? And those are usually longer term investors. They're not buying right now to sell tomorrow. They're buying right now to sell in a year or two or even months ahead. Same thing if you're selling on a very high price, right? Because you bought already at the very bottom. There you go. I'm exiting this transaction. Boom. Came to my target. I'm exiting that transaction right there. See, familia? Out and about and selling. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money. You just gotta wait. Don't get desperate, right? I strongly believe he's gonna do another higher high. It's just by a hair, like. And if buyers are not, if sellers are not interested in selling more, he's gonna do another higher high and keep pushing higher and higher and higher. That's the behavior of a market like today. There you go, familia. Boom. To the moon, to the moon, to the moon. It said buying the market, buying the market, buying the market, buying the market. To the moon. Is it gonna hold it or is it gonna break it? Probably break it. Probably break it. It's just by a hair. By a hair, like trying to do another higher high. There you go, familia. Easy money. Easy money. It's a very, very low day today. Easy money. So you sell on the top, buy at the bottom. Sell on the top, buy at the bottom. Money, 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 money. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There you go, familia. We make money both ways. My assistant, by the way, good question, Renee. She's a teenager. She's just. She went to her driving test yesterday, so she's excited about that. I'm waiting for her. Actually, I gotta talk to my son too. Oh. It's just the way the market is moving. It's not clean. I don't like it. This government shutdown, even like day like today, we make money. It doesn't matter what. That's the beauty of what we do. We make money even in a bad day. We just gotta wait for the opportunity, familia. Gotta wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah. Look at that, familia. Look at that. Money, 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 money. I'm showing you guys the targets and based on what the market is doing right now. Right now. And I understand these algorithms very well. I just need to understand like who is moving the market based on the behavior of this. You guys don't see a lot of volume, not big sharks around. So it's literally just gonna be idling there until something happens. So I move this away. What is this though? You guys see this here? To adjust, okay? Always adjust. Okay. There you go. This is a target if it's coming to the bottom. The precision fair value gaps indicator that I created, it tells you all these levels that are liquidity sitting, very good liquidity is sitting, and he is going to target these areas there eventually. But we are trading above the VWAP. We are very far away from the previous day closing price. This entire area was London. London expanded the market, and New York basically right now doesn't have a clue where he wants to go. It's just consolidating at this point. But if honestly, if you guys don't see a move now, like it's only 10 a.m. It's been, you know, only an hour since the market opened. But you guys will see the market seeking for liquidity or creating liquidity in New York. So if you follow ICT concepts, you know, follow everybody talk about AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but that's not always the cycle that it follows, especially a day like today. So it seems that it's doing a little bit of manipulation right now, but it's literally just waiting, accumulation, waiting for decisions that investors might be taking. They're all waiting on this government shutdown information. So once they get that, they're gonna have a clear direction where things should be heading. But at the moment, it's just consolidating. And the beauty of it is that we know how to trade even consolidating markets. I already showed you guys the targets, right? This one is eliminated, so we hit that one, is good. It might come just tap this and then push back up, or even like clear all this stuff. Very slow there. Very slow there. There you go, familia. Boom. Boom. Live, familia. What did I mention to you guys? On the spot, familia, on the spot, and look at the reaction. Look at the reaction, familia. Look at the reaction. It's coming like right to us, familia, right to us. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna switch my hat to normal version of me again. I'm not trading anymore. That's it. That's it. Trailing stop activated on that buy. So made money on the sell. Now making money on the buy. That's gonna be my last trade. My last trade. That's it. I'm waiting for the market to kick me out. If it does come lower, it's gonna kick me out on the trading stop. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right on the money, familia. That sale came right to us. Boom. Execution. I'm out. I'm out of the buy, and the sale kept running a little bit. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. And got out of the sale too. All right. So got out of both transactions. That was my last one. All right. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Actually, didn't have a lot, anything. I didn't grab any loss today. So 6-0. It's pretty good. On the spot. There you go, Nas. Hear you. That's right. That's right. That's right. It's just understanding like what liquidity is sitting, targeting your areas and getting out. Getting out. Anyways, familia, I'm gonna leave the session here. We're gonna do our private session in a few hours from now on the VIP. Okay, familia. We're gonna continue with our challenge. We're gonna take a look at everything together. All right. So again, familia, thank you for joining us. We catch again tomorrow. All right. Take care.
Goodbye.